There's something sacred about being in the rainforest at night time. It just fills you with awe to be in a jungle, hot, steamy, the world slows down, time stretches, and as you look through the tangled jungle, you see it, the green tree python, hanging down like a vine, and a green which is like a neon light, not moving, not blinking, just poised, ready to strike something that's going to run under it. In the daytime, you just walk right past it. Camouflage is so perfect. And at daytime, they just tend to rest in a lump. But at night time, under a headlamp, it glows like a jewel. And tonight, it's letting me sketch it. Not fleeing, not striking, just watching me the way I'm watching it. No fear, no threat, just two creatures sharing the dark for a while. It's easy to think of snakes as dangerous, but when you meet one like this, silent, still, minding its own business, you realise something. This is not just a predator waiting to strike. This is Serenity in scales. And I'm not just drawing it to capture it, I'm drawing it to remember this moment. Because for a little while tonight, I wasn't just in the rainforest, I was a part of it.